In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel sheet on Google Drive. This is a super useful skill if you collaborate with colleagues, classmates, or team members. Let's walk through the steps so you can easily make your Excel file accessible to others. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're inside your Drive, take a moment to locate the Excel file you want to share. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar if you remember the file name. After you find the file, click on it once to select it. You'll notice it gets highlighted, confirming that the file is selected. Make sure you've clicked the right one, especially if you have multiple files with similar names. With the file selected, look toward the top of your Google Drive interface. You'll see a row of icons, and one of them is the Share button. It usually looks like a person with a little plus sign. Click on that icon to begin the sharing process. A new sharing window will pop up. At first, the file might be set to restricted, meaning only people you manually add can open it. If you want to make the file more accessible, you can change this setting. Just click the restricted dropdown and choose anyone with the link. If you want anyone who has the link to view, or if you allow it, edit the file. This is great when you don't want people to log in or use a specific Google account. Once you've chosen your preferred sharing permissions, it's time to add the people you want to share with. Type their email addresses into the box provided. You can include multiple emails, and Google may suggest contacts from your previous conversations. To speed things up, double check every email to avoid sending access to the wrong person. When everything looks correct, click send. Google Drive will instantly notify the recipient by email, and they'll receive a link that lets them open the Excel sheet with the permissions you set, and that's it. You've successfully shared your Excel sheet on Google Drive. This is one of the most convenient ways to collaborate, allowing others to view or update the document without having to send files back and forth. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to share other documents. Enjoy the smooth and seamless collaboration that Google Drive makes possible. Happy sharing.